Hey you guys, if you've been following me for a while, then you're probably familiar with my frustration on trying to find a good source for kiln dry olive wood that is affordable. Over the last year, I spent thousands of dollars on buying olive wood on eBay, Etsy, auctions, on Facebook, from different companies, and they all were beautiful, just like they look in the picture, but my biggest frustration was moisture content. Even though they were advertised as dry, as kiln dry, they were all high in moisture. So when I posted this on my Facebook group, on the Sawdust and Splinter Facebook group, some of you guys said that you had had good luck ordering from KJP Select Hardwoods. Now, this is not a sponsored video. They have no idea who I am, and I didn't know who they were until a few days ago when you guys recommended or said that you had good luck buying from them. So I ordered some, and I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for it, and we'll check the moisture meter and we see if this is a good place to buy olive wood. Now, when I order this wood, they have different options. They have a select or premium olive wood, and then they have the regular standard quality. And I bought the premium one just because I bought the extra wide ones as well. And my thought was that I can use the life edges to make charcuterie board, and maybe I can get a strip in the middle that I can use for lids for boxes. So we'll see if that will work or not. But let's open this box. I bought 3 of them, I believe. Really hot here in Maine today. It's over 90 degrees and really, really humid. You know what? Let me bring you in closer. All right, first impression, the wood does look to be very premium. The quality of the board, there is like 0 cracks or knots. It looks really nice. Life edge, most of it, especially this side, the bark, it's already cleaned up, so it'll make it really easy to use it in a charcuterie board. So there's one of them. I'm gonna show you all 3 boards, and then we'll take a moisture content. There is the second board. This one does have a little bit of tiny crack in there, but not bad. I'll have to say it makes me a little bit nervous. The wood feels very heavy, so I'm not sure if that means high moisture. And this is the third one. And for these premium boards, I paid around $40 per board. But if you buy the standard or not the extra wide, they're about $20 a board. So the price is not bad. Now I'm going to get my moisture meter and set it up for olive wood. All right, it already is on olive wood. So let's see. And well, it's not as bad as other boards I bought, but still around 18%. I am not sure why I'm having such a hard time finding olive wood that is low moisture content. The only time I bought some that was truly dry was buying it straight from Turkey, which is pretty much insane that we have to buy olive wood from Turkey. 12.6, 10.6. Right here on the bottom, it measures at 8.7. Just on one spot. So there you go. I purchased olive wood from KJP, so you don't have to. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.